What's the idea behind space? The idea behind space encompasses wonder, exploration, unity, and the search for knowledge. It inspires us to look beyond ourselves, fostering curiosity about the universe and our place within it. The concept of space continues to captivate humanity, driving us to explore and understand the mysteries that lie beyond the confines of our home planet. It is a profound and multifaceted concept that has intrigued humanity for centuries. Here are some key aspects of the idea behind space. Vastness and infinity. Space represents the vast expanse beyond our planet Earth. It is seemingly limitless and infinite, stretching out in all directions. The vastness of space has a humbling effect, reminding us of the immensity of the universe. Cosmic exploration. Space is a frontier of exploration, offering an opportunity to understand the cosmos and unlock its mysteries. Humans have a natural curiosity to explore the unknown, and space provides a boundless arena for scientific discoveries and technological advancements. Birth and death of stars. Space is the birthplace of stars, where gravitational forces gather interstellar matter to create new stellar bodies. At the same time, it is the stage for the spectacular deaths of stars in supernovae, giving rise to new elements that enrich the universe. Cosmic unity. Space connects celestial bodies through the vast cosmic web, with galaxies, clusters, and superclusters intertwined in a complex dance. This interconnectedness reflects the idea of unity in the universe. Search for extraterrestrial life. The concept of space stimulates the search for extraterrestrial life. It fuels speculation about the possibility of life beyond Earth, igniting discussions about the existence of other intelligent beings in the cosmos. Perspective of Earth. Space provides a unique perspective of our planet, allowing us to see Earth as a delicate blue dot floating in the cosmic sea. This view inspires environmental consciousness and highlights the need for caring for our planet. Cosmic evolution. The idea of space encompasses the ongoing evolution of the universe. From the Big Bang to the formation of galaxies and stars, space is witness to a continuous process of cosmic change. Future possibilities. Space offers a frontier for potential future endeavors, including space exploration, colonization of other planets, and the potential discovery of new resources and scientific knowledge. Inspiration and creativity. Space stimulates the imagination and sparks creativity. It has influenced art, literature, and scientific endeavors, leading to innovations and breakthroughs that shape human culture and progress. Philosophical and spiritual reflection. Space has also been a subject of philosophical contemplation and spiritual reflection. It prompts questions about the nature of existence, our place in the cosmos, and the interconnectedness of all life.